Hi YouTube friends, it's Victoria from Victoria Makes. Now today I'm making a mulled drink for Christmas. It's the same as a mulled wine, but it's not alcoholic. So I'm going to put a litre of cranberry juice and a litre of orange juice into a pan, a cut up orange and all the zest, 4 tablespoons of brown sugar, a cinnamon stick and a teaspoon of ground cloves, ground nutmeg and a little bit more ground cinnamon. All in a pan and gently warm it for about 10 minutes. When that's actually warmed through, the kitchen and the house will smell delightful. So when your guests are going to be arriving, just put the pan on about 8 minutes beforehand on low, and then when they come in, the house will smell really beautiful and it's really Christmassy as well. It's a really lovely drink. If anybody drinks alcohol, instead of putting the cranberry juice in, put 750 millilitres of red wine into the pan and warm that as well with all the rest of the ingredients, and that's your classic mulled wine recipe. So I hope you enjoy it. It's also lovely, you know, for parties and just warming if you've been out on a country walk and you come back home and have a lovely mulled drink. And as it's not got any alcohol in, it's ideal for children as well. Okay, so let's get started. Let's heat it all up in the pan and then I'll show you what it looks like as well. Right, so let's bring you down. So we've got the cranberry in the pan. And we'll put all the orange in the pan as well. So in the pan I've put the cranberry juice and the orange juice and the oranges. I'm going to start gently warming that up, and then we'll put a few bits of ground nutmeg, whole cloves, cinnamon sticks and ground cinnamon into the saucepan too. About 4 tablespoons brown sugar, heat gently. Oh, that's smelling good already. Just go smell of the cinnamon. It's so lovely. The nutmeg is coming through, the orange zest and cinnamon's all coming through. I can smell a lovely, lovely smell coming off it. It's really well worth doing. Very easy. And obviously you can tailor make the recipe to suit yourselves. If you don't have sugar and you just want the sweetness from the juices, just omit the brown sugar. Still a delicious warming drink ideal after a country walk. Right friends, it looks like it's getting warm now. It's smelling absolutely delicious. If you put it on low, you can have this, you know, sort of keeping warm for a long period of time and just keep adding to it and replenishing it. If you've got a, you know, party, make a lot more obviously, and then just keep adding to it. And the oranges and the orange juice and the cranberry and a little bit more spice as you need it, because everybody will keep coming back for more. I can promise you. So it's getting nice and warm now, so I'm going to get a little glassful out for you so you can see. Unfortunately you can't taste it, but please trust me, it's delicious. So I hope you agree, it's a lovely drink, and I hope you'll try it. It tastes absolutely gorgeous. They're lovely to give your guests a nice drink of this on arrival and throughout an evening. Non-alcoholic, so ideal for the children as well. Thanks for watching. There'll be more videos coming up shortly. Bye for now.